Alright, here I am on the Averill Avenue Railroad crossing in Flint, Michigan. As you can see, this is the second crossing where the CN Flint sub and the CSX Flint sub meet. You know, this where the junction is, and as you can see right here are tanker cars where a stopped CSX train is. I'm not sure if it's gonna move or not. It's either gonna move forward or backwards. If it moves backwards, I'll catch it. So yeah, we're gonna start with the first signal. Both of them are pretty huge, and these have a pretty interesting setup. So for the first signal, it has a Modern Industries cantilever. Here's the emergency information in the dot tag. As you can see, it reports to CN, but I'm pretty sure you can report it to CSX too. And the dot number is 283778G. Yeah, and the menace lights are Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch LEDs. As you can see, the logos right there. And for the overhead lights, are one pair of Safetran 12 by 24 inch LEDs and two more pairs of Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch LEDs. And the bell is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. Type 2, I heard this crossing in action before. So let me cross the road and show you the next signal. Alright, so here's the second signal, and not to mention that this is also one out of very few gateless crossings on the CN Flint sub. So this is similar to the first. There's trash absolutely freaking everywhere. It has a Modern Industries cantilever with an upside down mounted box. Here's the emergency information in the dot tag again. It has two more pairs of Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch LEDs. And then for the overhead lights are also another one pair of Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights. 12 by 24 inch LEDs. As you can see up there. And another pair of Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch LEDs. And for the bell, hold on, I can't see that. For the bell, it has a mechanical bell on this crossing. It's a WRS mechanical bell. See the logo? And for the track view, down here heading east towards where the CSX train is, and as you can see, the second pair of tracks are abandoned. As you can see the junction switch has been removed that goes over there into a spur of some sort. See how overgrown it is? And down there, it's heading west towards Center Road number 2. You can see it. And plus, you can see like the junctions that go like absolutely everywhere. Abandoned junctions. They don't use these anymore. And you can see overgrown tracks right there. And down there is a very, very old signal. You can see the two lights right there. I would like to go down there and show you a close-up, but I can't because of reasons. So yeah, this is the Averill Avenue Railroad crossing. It has two tracks, but one of them's abandoned, as you can see. Nobody uses it. So yeah, not Center Road, Averill Avenue. Over and out.